Another day, and of course another product from Aliexpress, and I found a useful module. This one. And what is it? What it says? Quick Charge 3.0 Step Down Converter Module, 24 watts maximum output, 6 to 32 volts input voltage, and can be triggered to give on the USB ports from 5 3.4 amperes, 9 volt 2.5 amperes, 12 volts 2 amperes. Fast charging circuit board for car, for DIY project, for whatever you want. So it's a step down converter that you can plug in any voltage from 6 to 30 volts and give 4 USB ports with maximum of 24 watts, and it costs around $2 from Aliexpress. And of course I found it interesting, I ordered it and I got it. No bubbles, sorry. Okay, here it is, the fast charging circuit board that you can use for DIY projects, or maybe making a DIY power bank, portable power bank, or you can make to be like a charging station for your desk or workbench. And what is beautiful about this board, as I said, it can handle maximum of 24 watts, and you can see that it have terminals negative, positive, negative, positive. You can solder wires there and plug in the power supply, or you can use the DC jack and directly plug in your maybe laptop adapter that give 19 volts, because it says that the DC input voltage can be from 6 to 32 volts. Let's say we can use a 19 volt laptop battery and use that power to be delivered to on the USB ports with maximum of 24 watts. Also, it's a quick charger, and this board can be triggered to give different voltages like 5, 9 or 12 volts. Alright, so if you want to make your own power station, charger station, you need this kind of module, and you can use it any laptop power adapter. Let's say just like this one, it's giving 19 volts and the maximum current is, what it says, 4.2 amperes. It have the right DC jack, and I'm gonna plug in 3, 2, 1, and take a look. We have blue LEDs indicating that the board is working. I'm gonna quick monitor the voltage output using my USB meter, and what it says, 5.12 volts. Another port, 5.17. I'm gonna check all the ports, 5.16 volts. Let's check the last one, 5.14 volts. And what I like on this board, I love these 4 big power inductor coils, and they are here to store the energy in magnetic field to stabilize the voltage, the output voltage on the USB connectors, and they are not small. We have also on each port capacitors for stabilizing the DC output voltage, and also we have a protection integrated circuits for each port, which is pretty cool. It's not very cheap power station or power charger board. Alright, my USB power meter, it's not a trigger, can only see the 5 volts output, but I'm gonna use my 65 electronic load. I'm gonna attach it and take a look. Right away it's pulling 1.8 amperes, and in the description it says that each port can deliver 3.4 amperes, but my power meter is limited to 3 amperes. I'm gonna increase now using this potentiometer right here to increase the amperes. We are at 2.78, and take a look, we are pulling 3 amperes or 15 watts. If I go further, it will not show the amperes. Okay, 3 amperes. Unplug. Let's go to the second port. What it says, 3 amperes. Beautiful. It's working great. And I love it that I can use the power adapter from laptop as power source and to have a DIY charging station. Now I'm gonna use a different electronic load which have a LCD display to monitor the voltage and the watts, but I'm gonna trigger this board to give 9 or 12 volts maybe using this small PD trigger board. Take a look. It have a female Type-C connector on the one side, and we have a connector on the other side, so I can hook it up on my electronic load and test will this give 20 or 24 watts. But before that, I need to give a shout out to my latest Ko-fi supporters, where you can support my work and support the channel. Here it is. He didn't wrote the name. It says only Ko-fi supporters. Send me a coffee. Also we have Graham. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. He sent me also a coffee. And take a look at the Adrian Arts, who I think that he donated me couple of times, and he sent me maybe 10 coffees this time. I don't know. And he wrote, "Hey Mariancho, thanks again for your daily videos about different modules. If you like, you can use my donation to buy a large roll of bubbles." Thank you, sir, very much for the support, and I'm gonna keep going and keep doing great videos. The link for support my work will be in description below, so you can check it. Thank you, Adrian Arts, very much. So as I said, here I have the small board which is PD trigger. I'm gonna plug into the quick charge port of the DIY module, or we can call it a hub because it have more USB outputs. And take a look, now it's triggered to give 11.97 volts, but I can change that, let's say with selecting these switches up and down. I can trigger to give different voltages. Now it's giving 9 volts, and I can go, I think, 5 volts. Take a look, 5 volts. And this is electronic load also that can be, the maximum power is 35 watts. And take a look, now the quick charge board is triggered to give 9 volts using my PD trigger and using my electronic load. The input voltage is 9 volt and I'm getting 21 watts. Beautiful! This board is doing a great job. On this power meter you can monitor the input voltage. It's the same as this USB, but it have a DC jack input and output, and as you can see, you can monitor that the input voltage that comes from the laptop power adapter is 19.3 volts. I'm gonna plug into the quick charge module, and right now I'm charging the phone, and in the same time my electronic load is also activated, and which is pulling 3 amperes, maybe 1 more ampere for the phone, and together we are all together are pulling 22.8 watts, little bit more, it's around 22 watts input power. Beautiful. So for a couple of dollars from Aliexpress, 2, 3, maybe 4 US dollars, you can get this 24 watts charger module, and I can't believe it that you can get for cheap, but it's doing a great job. Awesome. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. Also for all the other gadgets that you see in the video, like the USB meter, the electronic load, the PD trigger, all will be in description below. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow with new video.